Plagiarism. Plagiarism is the act of using someone else's work or ideas without proper attribution. It's a serious academic offense that can result in severe consequences. From essays to articles, plagiarism lurks in every corner of writing. It's not merely copying and pasting, but presenting someone's work as your own. Ever borrowed a sentence from a book without crediting the author? That's plagiarism. It breaches ethical writing standards. Why is it frowned upon? Because it undermines originality, creativity, and the value of hard work. It's theft, plain and simple. The solution? Cite your sources, use quotation marks for direct quotes, and paraphrase smartly. In short, respect intellectual property. Remember, plagiarism is a shortcut that leads nowhere. Honor authenticity and promote integrity in writing.